Have you ever been in a situation where you've given a great presentation, you've really knocked it out of the park, and you look confident and poised, and then you get to the question and answer session, and you fall flat on your face? That's not an uncommon scenario. We've got a 4-step process that's going to help you look as confident and as competent as when you gave your presentation. The first step is to model what you want and then choose. So it's going to look something like this. Are there any questions? Or if you really want people to play along, you can say, who has the first question? And really let them know you want some questions. Then it's important to just let that sit for a minute. The worst thing you can do, and what most presenters do, is say, are there any questions? Okay then. No, you don't want to do that. You want to give it time. Let people think about what they want to ask. Are there any questions? Then you want to extend your palm and invite the question in. Yes, Mary Kay. The second step in the process is to listen with your eyes and your ears. It's intuitive to listen with your ears, but it's not always as intuitive to listen with your eyes. And why might we want to do that? It's important for us to understand if there's any meaning behind the question that we might not get immediately when you listen to the words alone. You know, something like this can tell you that there might be some emotion behind the question. So listen with your eyes and your ears. The third step is to rephrase the question. And there's a couple reasons why you're going to want to do this. The first reason is that you want to let the person who's asking the question know that you really heard them and that you understood the question. The second reason is so that everybody else in the room can make sure that they hear the question as well. They might have the same question. The fourth piece of the process is to answer with evidence and move. You're going to start the answer with the person who asked the question. Then you're going to move your eye contact to a different part of the room to include the whole audience. It's more audience-centered, and it's one of the things that's going to make you unique as a presenter. Remember the 4-step process in answering questions so that you can look as confident, as competent, and as poised when you're answering your questions as you did when you gave your presentation. Thank you.